Nongkharai Presbyterian Higher Secondary School kebadan hak Shillong Umsohpieng Mountain Road Constituency kalakan jo syakawai katong ka kraw hak khat santere Urisau araja arpusan da ka jing Plie ba ya ka Ïing Skul ba Thymmai lingba ka jing bay tingka ka North Eastern Council NEC Yakani ka Ïing Skul Thymmai lawan Plie ba daw konrad ke sangma umentri rangba ka jela kumukong san haringkat ka jing don lang MLA ka than uba Methodist kar ubadai umentri ubadai kmi ya katanat Food and Civil Supply Ladan rengkat ru da RG Moment MLA ke Ram Rai Jerngam, uba Australia Rusher, MDC ke Mountain Road, uba Garrett LSN Dykes, Deputy Commissioner ke West Khasi Hills District, uba C. Adronal Lingdo, Principal ke Nongkharai Presbyterian Higher Secondary School bat kiweipat ki officer sarkar. Kum kadak jong jing Plie ba ukong san bat sembut kong san kila Plie perdaru yo mau sa nam jong gani ke Snem Plie bat ya ke jing yalang ba la penlong hapalau jong ke school bat la penya do Reverend Ïing President ke School Managing Committee Lapen ken maru ba ya ke school la seng ning kong house nam khat khandai spa an rupon rio bat ulit purno sang ma ukpa jong konrad ke sang ma ulalong ubrio boning kong ban no senyang pisa sya ke school house nam khat khandai spa prapopra da ka song pisa ka ba nyo pusan hajar tingka hakapor bodang bat kumu menteri rangba bat menteri ketanat Puli Puthi jong ke jela Meghalaya
Chief Minister had sanctioned 75,000 rupees in his time and today I am here to once again to inaugurate this building. It's a real moment of happiness for me and really a moment which I will always cherish because there is nothing like following your leaders' footsteps and being able to continue what they had started. It gives a different satisfaction in your heart and in your mind to be able to take that journey forward of what your leader has done, and you will be proud to say, look back and say, yes, what you had started, we are continuing today. So it gives a different satisfaction. I am extremely happy. I must congratulate the managing committee for the excellent work that you've been doing and the education that you're providing to the students out here. I have seen your proposal of the fencing for girls hostel and for boys hostel. I will definitely examine this. I will be sitting with the Honorable Minister. We will work out on how we can start. Maybe all cannot start in one go, but definitely we will start with at least one of these projects at the earliest. So I would request our Honorable Minister, who is obviously the local MLA, that we will sit down together and work on this. I assure you to our President that I would want to continue this great work started by our great leaders. And therefore, I will ensure that we are able to succeed in this. So I was, of course, very impressed with number one, the confidence with which she spoke. And being able to speak out on a stage like this at a young age, I don't think I can imagine myself doing that when I was a small kid. So I must congratulate her, and I want to assure her as well as her school that definitely I will be supporting and helping them. She told me that the building, or she was speaking to all of us, that the building is in a very bad condition. As you all know that when it comes to schools, our government is very clear that we support all kind of infrastructure projects. It may not be everything in one go, but we always keep education as our priority. So even in small ways, big ways, whenever there is a chance for us to support schools, we do it. And so let me assure the students and the faculty and the parents in the managing committee of Shillong Memorial School that please submit your application and I'll be happy to support you for the construction or for the repair of the building. So I'll just wait for the applications and I'll request local MLA to kindly get the applications to me. So with these few words, I once again would like to thank our local MLA. It is on his insistence that I am here today. He was very particular that I should come, and he did not leave my room till I said yes, by the way. So he kept pushing me and said, you have to come, you have to come. And then I of course was very happy because this is an area which I don't get often a chance to visit, and therefore it's great to come here and meet the people. Also, I would like to share this. This is something that I always do because I love doing this and I believe that it's a great thing. So the students of Shillong Memorial School as well as Nongkharai Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, I would like to just also share that I would like to contribute from my Chief Minister's special grant funds so that you can buy music instruments. So I want you to buy music instruments. Please submit a small proposal to me. I would love to give music instruments. I would like to see that children would get busy with music and perform the music on their own. It's again something that is very, very important. I don't know how many of you know this, but I'm sorry I'm boring you with all this lecture of mine. But we are very, very keen to start, or rather we've started a program called Early Childhood Development. I think you know, we are the only state in the country that is doing this Early Childhood Development program, where we focus on children between the age of 1 and 8, because that's when their brain develops the most.
Hadien, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya